when we have some problems, sometimes we go for acupuncture. In the past, I've gone for acupuncture, and it was very helpful to me. Acupuncture is based on the flowing of the qi within our body. And sometimes the qi is not very flowing well. So when we insert the needles or we do acupressure, when we press it, we're clearing the pathway for the qi to flow well so we can get balance back. Mantras are kind of like the acupuncture needles, except we use sound to clear the qi passages of our body. So when we recite these mantras are formed in such a way, their sound, their structure is formed in such a way that it clears certain passages in our body to promote and expedite healing. Okay? So these do not create the healing. You have to go for medication, but they will expedite and help. For example, if we have high blood pressure, we have to take medicine. The medicine keeps it under control, but we also have to exercise. We also have to watch our diet. So watching the diet and exercising is something that is a big factor towards the actual healing or getting control of the high blood pressure and its symptoms. So something like an example like that.